The first one was in XRP Wednesday. I came into the market 9 o'clock. Market pushing up, really, really nice. But I saw divergence coming. So when I saw this divergence around 9:32, I saw a huge liquidity forming on this level. Market push it up and then finally break it down, retest it, break it down. Once I see this, I'm waiting for a stop loss sweep, which happened right here. And once I see that and I confirm it, which was in this level, I got in with a stop loss just above it, above these highs, and I was aiming for the middle of the VWAP, which was right around here. The trade finished really quick, finishing around 15 minutes. Was a pretty good move. Now, I could have I done better? Everything was really well executed, really, really good execution. But I could have take a lot of more money out of this trade. Look at this. The trade ended up going to this level, which is a demand zone, and I got out in a 2.7, but that could have been a 3.6 easily, right? So this is what I'm seeing in these trades from this week that I can actually hold them a little longer and squeeze more profits out of them. That's what that was the first trade. The second trade was taken on Solana the next day, the 16th. Now this day on Solana we were pushing really hard. We had many good news, and we were pushing so hard. They say. Now I was waiting for a pullback to see if I could have entered into a long. Now we had the pullback right here. In this first pullback, I did not get in. Why? Because you see, we got a nice bounce of this demand level. But what happened? Many times, and this is something that the market loves to do, is to take out people before making the move, right? So it will take liquidity and then it will move up. That's just the nature of the market. So I know this, therefore I always wait to see that sweep happen. And as you see here, it happened, and it happened way deeper than I thought. So I didn't get in this trade. Nevertheless, I was still bullish, and I confirm this bullish sentiment with this divergence that is creating right here. It created a new zone in this level around at 347. I see that creation of that level. We bounce off it, we break it, and the same thing, guys. I'm waiting for a sweep, a stop loss sweep, right? We get down, we sweep people. You can see we sweep all these people. Wow, just like that. And as soon as it breaks above this level, I got in. So I got in this trade, and I was aiming to see the highs of the VWAP, which happened. I had no drawdown in this trade. It went just straight up to the VWAP. Now this trade, this day, something special happened this day because we had many good news about Solana. This trade was taken on Solana, and I had this sentiment. I had this feeling like I could hold this trade way more. Why? Because the fundamentals are there, and I had the feeling I should have held it at least to the 220s minimum, but I didn't listen to them. I guess I made, bueno, I guess no, I actually made a mistake. I should have held it. And this trade end up just pushing like, it's just fucking insane, man. 282, man. Look at this. Well, it's just completely crazy, right? So yeah, I closed this trade in a great profit, but I could have held longer and I could have squeezed more profit out of it, right? Nevertheless, was a great execution. This was a great execution. Now the last trade was just yesterday. We had this trade on BNB. Now the market, when I got in them into the computer, I saw that the market was pushing down strong, but it was starting to lose that momentum. To every time it pushed down, it was weaker, right? Now I thought a long could be a good idea. I waited to get to the demand zone. Exactly the same thing, y'all. Wait to see that break of structure. Wait to see that liquidity sweep, which actually didn't quite happen here. They're like exactly to the book. But this is the thing, sometimes it happens exactly to the book, sometimes it doesn't. You have to be able to perceive it. And I guess it just come by being in the computer a lot all day, you know. So I waited. I see this change of structure there, and I was actually lucky because when my entry trigger, I wasn't ready to put on my position. So I could have been unlucky and actually see the trade go without me. I was really lucky that the market gave me 1 minute more to get into my position, which I actually used it. I got into my position even cheaper that I originally would have. I got in position again. I'm aiming to see if the market gets to the middle BWAP, but I thought this middle BWAP is kind of far away, so I rather stay in this supply zone. So I waited. The market was dancing a little bit in this level, but we end up going straight up into that level. And this was another profitable trade. All of the trades I'm be risking a 5% on my whole account, and I'm getting minimum at 10 to at minimum at 10% back. So this week I had these three trades. All of them end up hitting TP, and then I had one left that I did not take, and this was my mistake, right? So why I did not take it? It was because it was so early, yo. It was so fucking early, man. It was 9 o'clock. I just got in the computer. I came in the computer. I didn't I woke up not too long ago. So I come in the computer, I see this setup. I am like, oh, what the fuck? Hold on. And by the time I'm awake. Look at this. It's already dumping. So I lost the opportunity to get in here. And yeah, this was really shitty though. I could have gotten this trade as well. Oh, sorry, I'm missing also the trade from Friday. This was Friday. True. This was also a trade I could have taken Solana, and I did not take it because of fear, right? I'll be honest with you all. I didn't take it because of fear, because I played with my mind. The setup was there. I thought when it came here, we came to this demand zone, break the structure again. So it's pretty clear that it's gonna make a move to the upside. But when I was looking at the BWAP, I was like, where I don't see a really good risk reward. But actually, I could have just put break even on this level and let it run if it was going to. I didn't get in the trade, and it ended up also hitting TP. So I took three trades, but I actually had five trades, and all of them were really good moves in the market. Now, this week was a really good week in terms of execution, in terms of patience, in terms of risk management. and I'm really happy with it though. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really happy with this week. Now, the next week I'm gonna keep doing the same. This is the review of the week number three of this year, but for this channel it's gonna be the week one. So yeah, this been the week, and I'll see you the next one. Oh, wait. Things I think I could improve in the next week. Really simple. The things I gonna improve is the take profits. Because I think I can actually make my trades run a little longer and squeeze more profit out of them. You know, because most of them went above, way above my TP. And I got out before just because those are my rules, right? So what I'm saying now is I can actually let them run a little bit longer to a specific levels. That's something I think I can improve, and I'm gonna check that out today. Other thing I can improve as well is adding more coins into my watch list. Because right now I'm only trading with the XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, and BNB. Now I had five trade opportunities this week. That's not much, you know. They were really good quality trades, right? But I think I can have more coins to be watching, right? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually look at coins, and I will apply the system I use to those coins I have in mind. And if the results are good, I'll probably trade. I don't know. I probably trade them the next week, but we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, man, that's been this week, and I'm really happy, yo. I'm really happy with myself. I'm happy with the market, even though I don't give a fuck about the market. Being honest, I think the market gives what it gives, but I give all I can, you know, and that's all it matters to me. I give all I can. I do the best I can. I'm being the best version of myself every single day, and that's all that fucking matters to me. And the next week I keep doing the same shit, okay? And the next week after that, the same shit. And that's pretty much about it, you know. So I wish you everybody a good week. I wish you a good morning, a good day, whatever the time you're watching this. Yeah, man, keep it up, you know.